So back in November, I had the opportunity to go to Lombok to see what the island has to offer, from the breathtaking waterfalls to beautiful beaches. This is a trip I'll never forget, and this is what went down.
Terima kasih karena pilihan Anda terbang sama tiga negara. Coba kembali pada penerbangan pada airline yang bersama kami. Selamat datang di Lombok.
Good morning, guys. So now we are here.
It's Lombok day one. And now we're going to two waterfalls. He knows the name.
It's Benang Stukel and Benang Kalambu actually.
A stop because so very tired, man.
It's really hot down here.
I mean, what were we thinking? We didn't bring any sort of beverage, like
No
even
water.
And luckily
It's really
there's
lucky
this luckily there's
we
this
found this small store
shop.
Here. We're going to the next waterfall, second one. So we call it Benang Kalambu.
Man, if you love the nature, you have to work out.
We are working out, right? See you. Dude, what are you doing? So the drone is over there somewhere inside a tree, and he needs to go to find it because it's go inside. Paling atas. What is that? Yay! Got the drone! Here, you cannot see him, but he's in progress somewhere to pick it up. Got a drone. There he is. That was too good. I mean, yeah. It is like he made it.
No!